Welcome to CAD Station. Today we are going to learn how to create sheet metal and in sheet metal how to use this Miter Flange. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to use top plane, sketch, and here I'm selecting a center rectangle. From the origin, make a rectangle. Let's give it some dimensions. It's 150 by let's 152 by 152. Then next is go to this sheet metal base flange 2 mm thickness and K factor 0.5 and OK. Now next is Miter Flange. If you have watched the last tutorial in which I use edge flange, we don't need any sketch, but for Miter Flange we need a sketch. For this I'm just going to select. You can select any of the face of like this sketch. Control 8, line command from this edge. Okay, I just don't click on the edge. Sketch from edge, make a vertical line, make another line, escape. Smart dimension. This one is 20 mm by 20 mm. Okay, this one is 20 mm. Now next is from here to here it's 135 mm. It's done. Now simply go to sheet metals, control 7, and we are going to use Miter Flange. Now you can see it's going to be on one side. If I click here, it's not showing the creation right now, but if I just click the all, now you can see how it's going to be created. So this is the edge flange. This is a Miter Flange. I can use flange positions. That's the same as I have told you in the last tutorial in which we use edge flange. This one is creating inside the sheet metal. If I click on this, it will create next to the edge. If I click on this, it will create at the bottom. So that's, I'm selecting this one and OK. Okay, it's done. So this is how we can use control 7, how we can use the Miter Flange. So if you want to change the appearance, simply and this one. Okay, if I click on this one, and rotate it little bit, this one, and change the appearance of these parts, these pieces, I can control 7. So it's done. So hope you can understand how to create a sheet metal using base flange and how to use Miter Flange. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you like the tutorial. Comment and share to your friends. And if you are new to CAD Station, don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.